So what do we actually say when we're at the open house? When we're at the open house, the first thing that you always say to everybody is, hey, thanks for coming. Hey, this is Andy. Are you out shopping for a home today? Or are you guys out looking to buy a house today, right? So that's your first question. And it doesn't matter what they say to that question, okay? The next question out your mouth needs to be, so you say, are you out shopping for a house today? Are you thinking about buying a house today? They say green, purple elephants. Your next thing out of your mouth is going to be, do you need to sell a house in order to buy? Do you need to sell a house in order to buy? Okay. And then right there, you're going to figure out, is this a listing appointment that you need to schedule first before you can help them buy a house? Or are they all cash and they're looking to buy a house first? Or are they just out on a Sunday afternoon? They saw your sign and it'd be fun to take a look. So now you know where you're going with the next bits of your conversation. After they say, yeah, you know what? We need to sell a house in order to buy. No problem. Where do you live? Right? If you had to guess, how much do you think your house will sell for? Their guard is down. This is the opportunity to find out what they think the value of their house is. Perfect. Look, I don't mind doing this. After the open house, or tomorrow I can swing by. I can take a look at your house and give you a realistic idea of what your house is worth and how quickly we can get it sold. How does that sound? So right there, you can lock down that listing appointment in the open house. Okay, you got it?